Hi, today I'm for the new Google Pixel 7 and I'll show you how to switch off this device. So just to do that, we should press power key button and volume up button at the same time. Now we can see here the power off menu, and just to turn off our device we should click here to power off icon. But if you want to use only the power key button to do that, because now with the power key we can use the just Google Assistant. If you wanna unlink Google Assistant from power button and use only the power off menu, so first we should open the settings, scroll down to the system section, then tap to the gestures and click here to press and hold power button and just turn off this switcher. And now just by press to the power key we can also see the power off menu, and to turn off our device we should click on the power off icon, and after that the screen is dark, so this means that our device is turned off. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.